Hello everybody, this is that programming guy, and remember, you guys can do the thing no matter what's going on, no matter what you're doing. I believe you guys can get it done. So how is everybody doing today? It looks like OBS isn't stupid today. Awesome. Guys, how are you all doing today? Today is Sunday. Today is December 1st, which means this beard is going to be going away at 3 p.m. today. Today is 11 a.m., so there is 11, 12, 1, 2, 4 more hours I get to spend with this wonderful beard before it has to be shaved off, which is fine. Agreement with my wife was, if I could get someone to donate to No Shave November, then I can grow a beard. Sorry. So that's what's going on. So, awesome. So what did we get done last episode? Last episode, we kind of got everything working. We got all of our PowerShell scripts working. We got that working. We figured out as well how to run scripts from inside another script. So that's what took a while, and that's kind of sometimes what programming's like. It's like, I need to do this thing, and then it doesn't work, and you're like, why doesn't this work? And then you have to spend, hours figuring out. That's why there's a lot of buffer room, because no one knows everything about what's going to happen. So yeah, so now that we got this running, the next step is to actually, parameterize it a bit more. So we're going to use so for example, we have credentials in here, this is the username. This needs to be stored as a string. The message can probably stay here. The location needs to be parameterized. The name needs to be parameterized. All the resource group name, all the name stuff totally needs to be parameterized. This I don't think needs to be parameterized as much. Like we do, like path to script setup, we have that here. Speaking of that though, that should be right here. We could probably as well add either a readme, or we could add something. Oh, by the way, guys, I just want to let you know, mostly because I just totally forgot this. Well, no, my coworker mentioned this to me. You don't have to go through all of this to make a serverless stack. Like, I know this was originally to follow the tutorial, and we did, which was cool. I did take some liberties and change it. But, you don't actually, you don't actually, if you want to make a serverless stack, you don't really need all this. Well, you kind of do. If you want to start programming, you can actually download Visual Studio and make an Azure function yourself. And then when you run it, it'll start the storage emulator, all the emulators you need from Visual Studio. So you can get actually programming faster if you use the Azure functions. However, the thing I mentioned with the Azure functions is, again, like, it's kind of confusing if you don't know what you're doing. Anyway, okay, so enough talking. Let's start. I'm tired. I don't know if this is going to last a total of an hour. We'll see. Yeah. We'll see. Okay, so path setup script, that's used here. Path to Azure script is used there. Yeah, I guess. I'll put that here. Why not? Download and install the Azure CLI. Then run that. So first we have the setup modules. We need a username. So I'm just gonna do this right now. I'm just do this. Where are you? Where the username is equal to that. Username, please log in Azure. Location is going to say is West US. West US. Resource group name is equal to serverless stack RG. Resource group name, we need the storage account name. STORE. Lucy, you're not leaving. I don't know what you want. You're not leaving. Serverless stack SA. Stand for storage account. SA. Resource group will be serverless stack RG. I'm gonna leave the skew, the location needs to change. Location. There we go. I'm gonna leave the access tier, the kind, and the skew. I'm not gonna put these into variables, and the reason why is because these won't have to change. Additionally, like, in order to do what I need to do, I think one of these has to be, I think, like, cool or storage v2 or standard LRS. I forgot which one needs to be what. But they have to be set and not changed, so that's why I don't offer them to be changed. Service plan name is equal to serverless stack service plan serverless stack SP resource group serverless stack resource group. Awesome. Oh, right. Serverless stack. Sorry, resource group name. What am I doing? Oh, wow, guys. Oh, I'm a dumbass. Service plan name. Whoa, not twice. Serverless stack. The storage account. 1 second. Lucy! Hey! I'm gonna put a cone on you if you keep doing that, okay? I know you don't want a cone, but I'm gonna put a cone on you if you keep itching. Don't itch. Resource group is the resource group name. Login. Oh my god, this is location. I'm awake today, guys. I swear. Not like I stay up till 1:30 to try to play with someone from Japan or anything like that. Resource group name, storage account name, service plan name, resource group name. This is resource group name. Wow, that's like really fast. Okay. I play StarCraft and I need this to be repeated extremely fast. Okay. West US. Location. Function app. Function app name is equal to server serverless stack. Function app. Now, as you guys are doing this, you might want to make the names a bit more descriptive than serverless stack resource group. If you want to, you can totally change it. It's up to you. These are just, I think they're a bit easier when you're learning programming or just learning how to do this. You're like, oh, this is for the serverless stack and this is the resource group. is it's a serverless stack and it's a storage account. Of course, you won't know SA stands for storage account until you know it. I mean, you could do things like resource group storage, just call them resource group, storage count, service plan, and function app, and you totally can. That's totally something you guys can do. Especially when you're just learning, you might throw it away. That's something you can totally do. It's fine. Yeah, it's totally something you can do. It's fine. It's just a bit easier. Set up modules, invoke web request, out file. All right, so we're gonna run this. I'm gonna have to PowerShell. CD desktop. All right, guys, I'm going to run this, which additionally means this little camera is gonna have to go away really quickly, because. I don't want you guys to, there's my dog. I don't want you guys to see my password. Yeah, I mean, I know you already have my email, so. Yes. So enjoy my dog. If you want to see more of her, you can catch me on my weekday streams. So right now I'm streaming Xenogears. That's right, don't itch. Alright, now you're really ahead. Okay. Clock, you're extremely ahead. That's not good. This is taking forever. Something going on. What's going on? I'm just gonna stop you. Oh, I see. So the installer was still running? Okay. Let's get this uninstalled. Try it again. See what happens. Oh my god. Fuck you. What else is... Okay, what's being uninstalled, guys? Whoa, 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 what? What was that? You just popped up a window. Are you done? Can I uninstall? Okay, I can uninstall you now. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again. See what happens. And I did make it so you can run it not as an admin, even though I guess it forces you to run as an admin. But still. Oh, hey, alright. Tribe went up, that's cool. But now we have it where it's like, it'll force you, so basically you don't have to run as admin. Because it always sucks sometimes when you forget that something needs to be ran as an admin, so you run it as a regular user, and it's like, no, you need to be an admin. You're like, god damn it. So. Oh my god, what the hell is taking so long? What is my computer doing? Okay, are you done? Is that it? Can I refresh now? Are you done? Alright, you're gone. That was weird. Okay. PowerShell. Try this again. Download it from the interwebs. And then it'll install. So I guess it just takes a while for it to install. So I guess it was installing. That would be cool if there was like, I don't know. I mean, you could make it not silent, and you could actually make it where you see what's going on. That is totally an option. You know. But if you want, you can take the PowerShell script and change it how you want it to. That's all. There we go. All right, guys. Did that work? Sweet. Now it's setting everything up. So now we have to wait for everything to be set up. Oh, lowercase letters only. No. Alright, guys, so the stuff you see when it's done is called JSON. What? Okay, yeah. Everything is not set up. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, scripts. All the stuff you saw is called JSON, JSON, or JSON Object Notation. So this, basically what you see is all called JSON, or Java Script Object Notation. It's basically just a way to declare things. Alright, so we're gonna run this again. We're just gonna see what happens if we run it again. I'm really interested in what happens when we run it again. Because the installing the CLI won't take so long since it is already installed. I guess I could do check to see if the Azure CLI is installed already. That's a cool idea. Yes. Alright, getting credentials, that's me. Making the resource group, making the storage count. There we go. I wonder if when we just say create the resource group or create this and it already exists, I wonder if it just doesn't do anything. There you go. Service plan, function app. And then this will take a little bit. Yeah, this is all called JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. It's something, unfortunately, you're gonna have to get used to, especially if you're a front-end developer and you want to do a lot of website stuff. You're gonna have to know you're gonna know about JSON. I know JSON is a thing, and I know about it, and I've had to use it, but I much prefer XML than over JSON. All right, there we go. So now, you can go to here, home, motherfucker, home. Resource group. Aha, I look serverless stack. Resource group has the function app. It has the this function app inside the app service. It has the storage count and it has the app service plan, guys. There we go. So the next thing we'll have to do is Studio. So we are going to create a new, no. We're making extra functions. My cool function app. My cool function app. We're gonna make it what do we have? We have empty blob. Whenever a blob is added, a C# function will be run whenever a document changes. A C# function will be run whenever an event grid receives a new event. Whenever an event hub receives a new event, HQ. A C# function will be run whenever a message is added to a storage queue, a service bus queue. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff here. This is really cool. So we're going to do this. We're going to do the C# function we run whenever it receives an HTTP request. So this is when, like, I go, yo, Azure function, hi, here's my name or something, and then it'll spin up, run, and close down. That's it. But there's a lot of things. So, like, the queue triggers, like, well, if you have a queue, you can add something to the queue, and then, boom, this runs. That's really cool. So we're going to make this right now, not a function. We're going to just make this an anonymous. We don't need anything cool right now. All right. 9 days. All right, so now that we're here, everyone, we are going to let's move this back because I know you all want to see my keyboard. I mean, unless you guys want to keep seeing my dog, let me know. I am more than happy to show off my dog. I am more than happy to show off my dog. So guys, if you do want to see more of my dog, let me know because she is fucking adorable. So now we have this, right? So now we have the function app. It's called function 1. We can change it if you want. It's called function 1. This is the name. So this is all code stuff. So again, I do agree if you're new to code and you see all this, you're going to be like, what the fuck is everything? Yeah, so we can upload it. Publish. We want to use the Azure function consumption plan. Oh, no cold starts. Oh, no, that's fine. Create new. We're going to create my cool function app 2019 2000 blah blah pays go serverless stack RG. North Europe is not. I want West US. By the way, guys, Shiny Zenny, he's awesome. He's a Super Metroid runner. He's pretty cool. You should follow him on Twitch. Right, that's what we want. All right, create. That's the point. I guess I could maybe do something like this as well with PowerShell to actually deploy a function app. That would be really interesting. That might be something to do. I don't know if there's actually a way to actually like upload. I guess there is, huh? Because this is packages things and uploads it into zip file. So I could make a zip file and then, that's interesting. How's this, guys? That's homework. That's homework. How's that? I mean, additionally, what I could do is in the, when it asks for the login information, just don't provide a username. And then that way you have to add your username, so we could try that. Oh my god. It's taking forever. Did it take this long last time? I don't remember. I'm tired. What the hell, body? Oh, it says finished? What? No, that's something else. Come on. Oh, no one's watching me, so I can't really have a conversation with it. Yeah, well, that worked. That stuff happened. You done? No? Okay, that's fine. Yay! Cool. So now we can go like this, go to the interwebs. Probably tell us we're stupid. There we go. Yeah, it's saying it's running. How the fuck do I call it? Whoa, what? No, right, this is not the internet's. Kinda hungry. Yes, test the function. Yeah, your head. I need. Oh my god. Shit. I don't know what to do. Yeah, run. How do I do this? Oh, I forgot how to call the API. Yes, this works just fine. I totally forgot how I did this last time. I really did. There we go. Awesome. So that works. So now we can see how we compare it to here. API function 1. Will this work? No. Bad. Hey! Cool, that works. So there we go, guys. We got it done. The only actually thing I've completed on this channel. So yeah. That's it. Yeah. The only thing I guess is to just get rid of this. And not have a username. There we go. Cool. So that's it, guys. I guess I will upload this to Git so other people can use it, but here it is. It's great. You will need PowerShell in order to use this. Unfortunately, you can't use PowerShell to install PowerShell. Yeah. I'm gonna end the stream here. There's nothing really else to do besides upload this, and I'll do that on my own time. But lurkers who are lurking, thank you so very much for lurking. Watchers who are watching, thank you so very much for watching. Bots who are botting, thank you so very much for botting. If you like what you see, give me thumbs up. If you don't like what you see, give me thumbs down. give me a subscription anyway and leave me a comment, because I'd love to know what you like or don't like about this. Guys, if you're watching this on Twitch, please give me a follow, because those follows are great. Alright, everyone, have a wonderful day. I love you all, and I will see you all next week.